Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Guys, if you enjoy this type of informative content, don't forget to like the video. It would gladly assist in the algorithm for this YouTube channel. Also, I would gladly appreciate if you would click on the subscribe button. Subscribe. What are you guys waiting for? Great free educational content, guys. Cryptocurrency content. It can't get any better than that. And don't forget to click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos. Immediately we start off with the fear and greed index, guys. We're still in the fear, at 27, but yesterday was 29 and last week it was 20. So what does that mean, Jay? It means that we're going up. It's moving up. The sentiment in the market is moving towards the upside, just like price, and we're going to review that in a couple of minutes. So we've rebounded once again, from that key 20 support level there, on the fear and greed index. Right now 29 has been the highest, but the next high that we're keeping our eyes on like a hawk is that 40. If you see that market sentiment rises above the 40 level, then man, we might be starting a new uptrend. So keep your eyes on that in the next couple of days, and we'll definitely keep you guys informed in our other videos. So moving on to the Bitcoin price, currently just under that $17,000 round number mark, guys. We do see that yesterday we had a $1,000 green candle in under 24 hours. So that was a massive move towards the upside. We were here in this descending triangle, where we had 5-6 candles, wow, just that was key resistance here, just fighting against that resistance, and up here as well, and then when it finally broke out, we had that push towards the upside, almost touching that next resistance level of $17,619. We quite didn't make it, there with this push, but we might consolidate up here. Who knows? Sometimes after we break out of these formations, we come, back down and we retest the previous resistance trend line here and before moving on up, or sometimes we consolidate a little bit, going up and down, and then we move on up to the next resistance level, or we come back here and break down, right? I mean, anything is possible, but right now, based on probabilities, it seems more likely that we're gonna come and retest that resistance level, also because of the DXY, and we're gonna get into that chart in a little bit. But Bitcoin's looking strong. It had what some people could say this is a double bottom. We have to wait and see if that's going to play out that way. But right now we made new highs from all these candles, and we're just trying to retest the next resistance level. So in the next couple of days we'll see. The RSI as well, we had a low here under the 30 level, and then now we've been making higher lows and higher highs. So we have to see how that's reflected on Bitcoin's price action. On a weekly note, we do see that we have a cluster of candles down here. This one was red, but we've had back-to-back green weekly candles. Of course, this weekly candle hasn't closed yet, but right now it's looking nice. And again, it's looking as if it would want to make a move, towards that resistance level of $18,568 on the weekly chart in the next couple of weeks. So, December Santa Claus rally, we might get a couple of more green candles before the ultimate decision of, heading into the new year. Are these, this downtrend line and this moving average is going to converge in a moment of confluence and cause major resistance, to come back down? Or is Bitcoin going to have, enough impulse and momentum to break towards, the upside? So in a couple of weeks, we'll definitely come back to this chart, review that information, and see what Bitcoin decided to do. Now, the DXY, again, guys, in our last episode, we were mentioning a possible, double bottoming action here. That's weird. Why isn't that brush working? The invisible brush, huh? But yeah, double bottoming action here with these, this wick of this candle and this one as well. But it seemed there was a slight fake out in a way, and now we've had back-to-back strong bearish red negative candles on the DXY, on the Dixie right now, breaking that support level of 105.35, and the next one is 103.90 before the $100 index level here for the DXY. So again, we made a local high here back in September, and since then the dollar has been losing strength in a strong way. So we have to wait and see if we find a bottom before it reverses, or if it's gonna continue on. So we'll definitely be here to make sure we monitor that information with you guys. Don't forget, in the description down below, if you enjoy this type of content, you can find a link to our free educational videos playlist. Dozens and dozens of videos of free cryptocurrency educational videos for you guys. And now let's move on to the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world and analyze their performance in the last 7 days. Immediately we start off with Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at around just about $17 a pop, up 2.34%. Then we have Ethereum at around $1,277, up 6.38%. Then number 3, we have BNB, just under $300 at that $292 price point, down 2.57%. Then number 4, we have XRP, the scam, currently at around 40 cents, down 0.71 cents. And number 5, the Dogecoin, the Dogecoin, at around 10 cents a pop, up 25.29%. Then we move on to the top 5 best performing assets, during the past 7 days. Immediately we start off with Phantom at 25 cents a pop, up 40% in the last week. Then we covered Dogecoin, number 3, Huobi token at $6.74, up 20.75%. Number 4, the Monkey Coin. Look at all these animal coins, Dog Coin, Ape Coin. Who would have thought? Crypto in 2022 heading into 2023, in the top 50. Look at all these animal coins. Cow coin, man. Should we make that up, man? That'd be nice, So the Monkey Coin, Ape Coin, is around $3.87 up 16.73%. And then we have Ethereum Powwow at around $4 a pop. It's up 17.87%, man. In the last 7 days, not bad at all. We move on to the top 5 worst performing assets during the last 7 days. We start with Binary X at around $130 per coin, down 24%. Number 2, Chili's at around 16 cents, the restaurant coin, down 9.27%. Number 3, Yunus said Leo. Yunus, you guys, correct me in the comments, down below. Have fun with that. And I've said it a bunch of times, but it's $3.87, down 8.24%. Number 4, Solana at around $13.46, down 7.41%. And number 5, to round it off, Nexo at around 64 cents, down 6.72%. And then we have the balloon coin, Helium, honorable mention, $2.31, down 5.59%. Guys, if you enjoy this type of informative content, don't forget to like this video. I would gladly appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't done that already, what are you waiting for? It's just a click away. Click the button, then you can click the notification bell and stay tuned. Our new fresh off the press videos just for you guys. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, you can follow our Twitter. And how do I find your Twitter, Jay? Well, in the description down below, there's a link to our website where you can find our Twitter, our social networks, just a lot of investment tools and resources for you guys for free. Guys, thank you so much for your support, for watching my content. I always really appreciate that. Educational video coming out really soon. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you guys have a good one.